Hey everyone, I'm Lee Holden, and I wanted to introduce you to a fantastic little device called Aculief. Now, I'm an acupuncturist and a Qigong teacher, and this is a wonderful product that clips on to a very powerful acupressure point. Just like that. It's very simple and easy to do, but powerfully effective for releasing tension. And in Chinese medicine, this acupuncture point or acupressure point is wonderful for clearing pain and clearing headaches. Now, Chinese medicine is based on prevention. It's based on this concept called qi, getting the energy in your body to circulate. So when we press on certain points, for example, it's like turning on and off a light switch. So we might add some stimulation here, and it releases tension and tightness or congestion of qi in the upper body. So part of modern life, the stress of modern life, is too much qi rising to the head, too much stress and tension in the neck and shoulders, which can cause excess tension, headaches, tightness, discomfort. And so in Chinese medicine, we kind of press these light switches and create this release of tension and a rebalance and harmony in the body. So the goal of Chinese medicine energetically is to have a clear head, energy circulating through the upper body, nice and free, so the mind is calm and we feel very comfortable and at peace in our minds, and more energy down in our center so that we have vitality and qi in our bellies or in our bodies. And part of modern life is that we feel overly stressed mentally and emotionally and fatigued physically. So things like Qigong movements, stretches and flows can be tremendously beneficial, and working with acupressure is tremendously beneficial to create this rebalance. Now this is very, very simple. You put it on here. This is an acupressure point called large intestine 4. It's on a meridian line. Meridian simply means river of energy. And by stimulating this point, all of a sudden we feel more relaxed, we feel more calm, we feel more centered. It can be tremendously beneficial for the head and pain. And this point actually in Chinese medicine is called a celebrity point. Celebrity meaning that it's well known and well used because of its powerful effect on the mind-body system. You know, this device is kind of dear to my heart because I was sitting at dinner when I was in acupuncture school, and a friend of mine across the table had a headache. And I said, well, let me press this point for you and see what happens. And he was astounded that as soon as I pressed that point, firm pressure, his headache started to dissipate and go away. And then I let it go, obviously, and we were eating, and this headache started to come back. And I was explaining that that's why acupuncture is so powerful, because we can put a needle in here and leave it in for 15, 20, 30 minutes and can create a full effect on the body. Now, not everybody can put a needle into their acupressure points. That's why this is such a wonderful invention. Aculief, you can put it right here and prevent congestion, tension, and tightness from occurring in the upper body, and also work with things and see how it works for you when you do have a headache or you do have problems in the upper body. Just put this on for 15, 20 minutes. It's easy to do things. You can still type on the computer. It can be part of your daily life. So enjoy both this Aculief device and Qigong practice as a way to take care of your health and have the tools and resources you need for better health, more energy, and balance in your life.